So this is what you're not gonna do when you're straightening your hair. For one, it does not need that many passes. Two, it is smoky AF. That means there are too many products on the hair and you are likely burning the hair to a crisp, and it looks like they are.
Hi there, beautiful person. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. I am the Nddy Celestine. If you aren't subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe. Subscription is completely free. Also turn on your notifications so that you can be notified of new videos like this. So let's dive right into today's video. It's that time of the year again. Silk press season is upon us. Salons are booked, flat irons are heating up, and the promise of sleek, straight strands is tempting. But before you jump on the bandwagon, let's dive into the world of silk presses, analyzing the good, the bad, and the straight up ugly. Buckle up because we're about to get real about this popular trend. Introducing the silk press. There's no denying the allure of a silk press. It delivers instant smoothness, manageability, and a polished look that can be a welcome change from our everyday usual curls. But why exactly do naturals choose to go straight? Reasons for getting a silk press. Number one, protective styling. For some, a silk press is a way to protect their hair from the elements and minimize manipulation during dry, cold months. Two, versatility. It opens up new styling options like braids, updos, and sleek ponytails that might be challenging with natural texture. 3. Special occasions. From weddings to job interviews, a silk press can provide a desired look for formal events. 4. Damage repair. If your hair is heat trained, a silk press can temporarily smooth out frizz and split ends, creating the illusion of healthier hair. Now let's look at the benefits of a silk press done right. 1. Reduced frizz and flyaways. For some textures, a silk press can offer a welcome break from the constant battle against frizz. 2. Increased manageability. Styling and detangling can become easier, especially for those with thick or dense hair. 3. Length retention. When done properly, a silk press can help minimize breakage and promote length retention. Now let's look at the risks and horror stories of failed silk presses. Number 1, heat damage. Improper technique, high temperatures, and excessive processing can lead to irreversible heat damage, dryness, and breakage. 2. Chemical burns. Relaxers or straightening chemicals used in conjunction with a silk press can cause scalp irritation and even burns. 3. Unrealistic expectations. Chasing bone straight perfection can lead to disappointment and unrealistic beauty standards. 4. Ignoring natural hair needs. Neglecting deep conditioning, moisture treatments, and proper care after the silk press can worsen hair health. Alright, after looking at all that, let's look at the cautionary steps that we can take before or when we are about to do a silk press. Number 1, do your research. Find a stylist experienced with natural hair and silk presses. 2, communicate your expectations. Clearly explain the desired look and level of heat you're comfortable with. 3, prioritize your hair health. Deep condition and strengthen your hair before the press. 4, use heat protectant. Always apply a heat protectant spray before flat ironing. 5, don't overprocess. Stick to one pass with the flat iron and avoid excessive heat exposure. Now let's look at how to use silk presses to your advantage for hair growth. 1. See it as a protective style. Use the opportunity to minimize and focus on deep conditioning and scalp care. 2. Trim split ends before and after. Get rid of existing damage to prevent further breakage. 3. Moisturize regularly. Don't neglect your hair's moisture needs even with a silk press. 4. Focus on scalp health. A healthy scalp promotes hair growth, so use gentle cleansing and stimulating treatments. 5. Embrace the temporary nature. Remember, a silk press is not permanent, so enjoy the change while prioritizing long-term hair health. So finally, naturals, is silk press a friend or a foe? Ultimately, the decision is yours, but remember, knowledge is power. Weigh the pros and cons, prioritize healthy practices, and use this trend to your advantage for strong, healthy hair growth. Share your silk press experiences in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more natural hair content. Until next time, rock your curls with confidence. Bye!